This is a list of all the different angles that we have learned about so far. So pause the video right now and take a good look at this list. Read the definitions because we are going to use these angles to find missing angles in a figure. Take a look at this figure. Pause the video right now so you can absorb the information given in this figure. So here is what we have been given so far. This box here means that ABF is a right angle. Therefore, ABF, the measure of ABF is 90 degrees. Then we are given that EBC is 69 degrees. So far we have ABF is 90 degrees and EBC is 69 degrees. We are also given that AC is a line. We assume that AC is a line. So the implication of that is that ABC is a straight angle. If ABC is a straight angle, that means all of these angles together, let me just draw all of these angles together, this angle, and this angle together are 180 degrees. So let's write down an equation that represents that information. So we have 90 plus 69 plus x equals 180. And 90 plus 69 is 159. So 159 plus x equals 180. And if I take away 159 from both sides, I will have x equals 21. So the measure of angle FBE equals 21 degrees. Here is another problem. Again, pause the video so that you can absorb the information given in this figure. So here is what we know so far from this figure. We know that MSN is 124 degrees. We know that NSP is 13 degrees. We know that PSQ is 115 degrees. Now what does this line mean? This line here is a symbol to indicate that these two angles are congruent to each other. That means if this is x degrees, this is also x degrees because these two angles are congruent to each other. Now the other piece of information that's not given directly but we can infer is that this, so let me just put a circle around this. So this is a full angle. And as you can see, a full angle is one angle with a measure of 360 degrees. That means all these little angles put together add up to 360 degrees. Let's write an equation that represents this understanding. So we have 124 degrees, we have 13 degrees and 115 degrees, plus we have x and x. That means we have two x's. So x and x is two x's and that adds up to 360 degrees because this is a full angle. Now let's add these together and we have 124 plus 13 is 137. 137 plus 115 is 237 and that's 252. So we have 252 plus 2x equals 360. Now if I take away 252 from both sides, I get 2x equals 108. And since 2x equals 108, x must be equal to 54. So each of these angles, MSR and RSQ, the measure of these two angles is 54 degrees.